mopogore opogore e lai mar somo ma CBC.
Recruiting 30,000 teachers. Interviews for those shortlisted are set to be concluded today, paving the way for the posting of successful teachers. It is our intention to have the new recruits join the payroll on January 30th, the same day when the junior secondary school learners will report to their respective schools. All the teachers who will be recruited in the ongoing exercise, they will be put on a retooling regime that will ensure they adequately attend to our junior secondary school learners. Already, we have trained 2,376 master trainers ahead of the retooling exercise of all the new teachers and others currently teaching in secondary schools. We target to train 90,000 teachers between now and April 2020.